Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture we are going to discuss array in C programming. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the introduction to array. So guys, an array is a collection of similar elements or similar data types. Subscripted variable is another name of an array. An array is also known as homogeneous data type. So guys, as we know that an array is a collection of similar elements. So these similar elements could be all integers or all floats or all characters, but usually array of character is known as string, whereas an array of integers or floats is called simply an array. And remember that all elements of a given array must be of the same type. We cannot have an array of 10 numbers of which 5 are integers and 5 are floats. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of this array. So guys, here it is the syntax of array. So we need to mention data type, then array name, and then size. And here is the example of an array. So guys, an array needs to be declared just like another variables so that the computer will know what kind of an array and how large an array we want. So guys, as we have declared an array A of size 5, so here integer specifies the type of the variable just as it does with the ordinary variables, and the word A specifies the name of the array. The 5 in square brackets, however, is new. The number 5 tells how many elements of the type integer will be in our array, and this number is often called the dimension of the array. The square bracket tells the compiler that we are dealing with an array. So now moving forward guys. So guys, let's say we have declared an array A of size 5, and when we declared an array of size of 5 here, it will be stored in memory like this. So these are the indexes here, A0, A1, A2, A3 and A4, and the number given below are addresses of the elements of the array. And you can see that array consists of contiguous memory locations. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.